Hey, what's up guys? I normally fly here, but there's people right here right now, so we'll have to fly there. Yeah, somewhere there. Although there's some people there as well, so I'll be very careful. I'll just be flying here. But anyways, I wanna test my revision 3 of my strapless battery case. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty sick. Yeah, it's really cool, for real. All right guys, let's get started.
I can see that your heart is breaking. I wish I could fast forward, take all your pain and erase it. Feet on the ground, feet on the ground. Even when we're upside down, round and around, we'll never fall down. If the world is going sideways, I know my place is here with you. When all our good nights turn to dark days, I know I'll stay next to you. When your hope's gone, can barely hold on. When your sky is running out of blue. When the world is going sideways, I'll be sideways, sideways here with you. Oh, sideways here with you.
Alright guys, just finished flying. So I guess the total weight of this quad is about maybe 740. So it's strapless. I don't have to use any more battery straps. And this is revision 3. And the good thing about this is that I had to take out the 2 battery straps, and then I also had another TPU here which prevents the battery from sliding backwards on a severe crash. And then what else did I remove? Oh, I also removed the UMA grip. So total of this weight is about like maybe 38 grams more, but since I took it out, so maybe I added 20 grams, but my flight was still like 5 minutes long on a 1300 mAh RCHacker's battery. Yeah, this is a 1750 kV motor. Yeah guys, I'm really impressed with the performance. And these are actually old props as well, old frame. And I did crash there. I was actually facing like this downwards, and I was hoping to do an eject, but I wasn't fast enough to do the eject. Yeah guys, so it's really cool. So I like it a lot. Yeah, so I'm glad I didn't break anything. Maybe just the scratches on the props. Yeah. I'll soon create an Etsy account to sell this, and currently it works for Apex frame, it works for Freerange frame, the one Hyperlite Freerange frame, and also IFlight. So with minor adjustments. So yeah, this works really well. And if you don't worry about weight, guys, this is it. This is what you need. Strapless. Yeah, no more you don't need any more battery straps, because you know every time that thing there, the Velcro, after like using it like what 10 times, the thread starts to fail, right? Look at this guys, the sunset is quite amazing. Let me fix the light. Okay, look at that, it's quite amazing. Yeah, that's the sunset right now, very beautiful. Yeah, yep. So this is currently like the natural color right now. Yeah, so yep, there you go, it's my car. There you go. Yeah guys, so I'm quite impressed with the performance, and I thought I'd only be able to fly like 3 minutes. Nope, I was wrong.